If they added to cart but didn't buy, you can run retargeting ads to those exact people. Hey, you left this fire drill beat in your cart. That's how you turn window shoppers into buyers. Most beatmakers have no idea where their traffic comes from, what devices people use, or which beats actually convert. Google Analytics gives you that map. You'll discover that your lo-fi beats get traffic from Reddit, while your trap beats perform on Twitter. Then you double down on what works. Here's the secret weapon. Run Google search ads for keywords like "buy dark trap beat" or "licensed drill instrumental." When someone searches, your website appears above BeatStars, above Airbit. You capture them before they ever see a competitor. Connect Google Ads to your YouTube channel. Create a video showcasing your best beats. Run YouTube pre-roll ads targeting fans of Metro Boomin or Pierre Bourne. The algorithm learns who engages, and suddenly your channel grows with paid traffic that feeds organic momentum. Here's the magic loop. Someone watches your YouTube ad, clicks to your website, you capture them with a pixel. You show them a follow-up ad on Instagram or Facebook. They buy. You upload a new beat. They come back. That is a self-growing audience. It doesn't depend on a platform's favor. It depends on your infrastructure. Here's the truth most beatmakers miss. Posting content without your own tracking infrastructure is like throwing flyers into the wind. Before you upload another beat, do this first. Buy a domain. Build a simple website. I have a $50 template that does this in 30 minutes. Install Google Analytics and your Facebook pixel. Set up Google Ads and link your YouTube channel. Connect an email capture form and start building your list from day one. Only after that infrastructure is live do you start posting content. Because every view, every like, every comment then feeds into your analytics. You'll know exactly who's watching, what they want, and how to sell to them. BeatStars and Spotify aren't your enemies. They're just tools, but they're tools that rent you a seat at someone else's table. In 2026, the beatmakers who win are the ones who build their own table. Your website isn't just a store. It's a data machine, an audience magnet, and a long-term asset that appreciates over time. Stop playing the old game. Start building your kingdom. Ready to get your site live in 30 minutes? Click the link below for my $50 template. Drop a comment if you're still stuck on BeatStars. Let's talk about how to migrate.